Welcome to the world of the Starline Grandeur, the luxury caravan built on the Volvo 9400 B8R, 12 meters long with a BS6 engine. To enhance your escapade, we present to you Italian calf leather recliners with calf support along with foldable tables for your dining experience. A fully furnished mobile kitchen with a microwave oven, induction stove, full crockery set, exhaust chimney, toaster, coffee maker, and a mini fridge. The provision of a luxury remote controlled bedroom setup for comfortable resting during your getaway. Bathroom with a fully functional water heater geyser, a Western style chemical toilet, and a 3-way shower faucet for an unparalleled sanitary experience. The Grandeur consists of comfortable seating, ensuring uncompromising safety and quality. The driver cabin is equipped with 2 sleeping berths for driver and co-driver along with utility storage facilities. Adequate storage space in the belly boot is provided for your baggage requirements, along with other necessities like inverter, batteries, grey water tank, and a black water tank. The safety features in the Grandeur consist of fire extinguishers, CCTV, smoke sensor, grab rails, and emergency windows with necessary hammers. A door that can be controlled by both the driver and the passenger for access to the lobby space or to the driver console is provided. Railings alongside the cabin are also provided for additional support inside the motorhome for easy movement. Fire retardant teak wood and veneer furniture is crafted indigenously, finished with high quality polish and made for your comfort. Automated wireless lighting enables you to create your ambience from warm white to cool daylight. It can also be controlled by voice commands through your phone. The bedroom is equipped with a wardrobe and an iron stand. Thirsty? Pick up a glass of a cold drink from the refrigerator and enjoy it while you relax on the recliner. The Grandeur is fitted with a home theater and a concealed TV, which can be easily controlled by a remote. The state-of-the-art recliner comes built-in with an electronic calf support and the ability to rotate on its axis, perfect for all your needs. The on-the-go personal bookshelf provides for some reading pleasure so that you can read your favorite book or a magazine. Grandeur has taken the liberty of providing you with flexible lighting for your comfort during leisure. We at Starline pay homage to exquisite details. That's why the Grandeur comes equipped with a mini shoe rack to place your footwear. Relax yourself and have the pleasure of witnessing the morning sun or the starry night sky by accessing the electronic roof whilst on the move. The Grandeur has set up a mode of communication with the driver. We have equipped intercom telephones everywhere in the caravan, from the living room to the bedroom to the bathroom. With the push of a button, you can open the blinds to witness the sunny day ahead of you. The Grandeur has a panoramic view of the exterior surrounding as well as the posh interiors. Setting up a table for a meeting or a meal, it is easy to set up as per your need. The Grandeur is also equipped with rotating recliners. Caravan model has been certified for safety and roadworthiness by ARAI Pune under Caravan Act AIS 124 as per CMVR rules. The subject model can be registered at any RTO pan India. Our products exude excellence, creativity, and care. We have your best interest in mind. Starline Motors, 50 years of innovation from car bodies to mobile hospitals to training coaches to caravans.